These are the standout moments from the 2023 Met Gala. We had Choupettes all over the place. You know, Lagerfeld's beloved cat. Unfortunately, the cat did not attend. But we did have Jared Leto in this costume, along with Doja Cat, who clearly understood the assignment. Then there was Lil Nas X. We had pregnancy reveals for Serena Williams and Karlie Kloss. And then there was the vintage. Nicole Kidman rewore the dress that she wore in the Chanel No. 5 commercial back in 2004. Dua Lipa wore this dress designed by Karl from 1992 that was actually a bridal dress, which was once worn by supermodel Claudia Schiffer. Last but not least, we also had two people wear the same exact dress, just in two different color palettes. Best Met Gala costume ever?